Alright guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is Ethan from JingleMining, and today is also the unboxing series, and we're gonna do the Fluminer L2. And so based on the ASIC miner volume, the website, it says the daily revenue of this unit is $1.24 at a selling price at $700, but it's not accurate. It's never be like this selling price, okay? But anyway, the payback period will be around 2 years. That's true. And I don't know. Let's just go in the business. We can unbox it right now. So you see, it's like this big, like the same size as my laptop. But the important part is, you know, for me personally, I think it's very good looking thing. Both as a miner or speaker, especially as a speaker, you can literally just put it on in your bedroom or living room. When you have some guest, you can kind of like showing off to him, you know. Right here, see, like I said, it's a very good looking thing. You see the color, the like dark gold, I don't know how to say that even, and with the brown, it's just giving you this kind of stylish vibe, like old money stylish vibe, right? And people asking, oh, where you get this speaker? I never see that. What kind of brand it is? And he goes, Fluminer. What is Fluminer? Is a crypto miners brand. Yes, my speaker also mining cryptos for me. You know, that's something else, don't you think? And also, on the website, on the ASIC miner volume website, the picture is not accurate. It's not really looks like this. I think it's the old version, this picture. But in real life, I think it's so much better. It looks like this, very stylish and old money vibe. And here is the even the keyboard, the white keyboard, you know, just all the fittings, just so good, right? Okay, anyway, it has all the functions that speaker and both the miner have. So here is the front, and also I think it's the air inlet for miner. And you see there's a Fluminer's logo here, right here. Okay, and here is the top. There's volume, the treble and bass, all the like basic function that a speaker should have. And here is the power button, and you can switch the songs with this small button. And even there's a USB port and LED lights. Okay, that's it for the top. And I love this thing, you know, just so good. Anyway, on the back, on the left side is still the speaker, but on the right, I think you have all the things that a miner have and the regular miner have. First is the fans. I don't know if you can see it very clear, but here's the fans. Like here's the exhaust vent, okay? And here is the power port, switch button, Ethernet port, Wi-Fi signal booster. So that means this unit you can mine the cryptos wireless. It's very important because you still do it, use it as a speaker, right? And sometimes you move the speaker. You move the speaker to the kitchen when you're cooking. You move it to your bathroom when you're taking a shower, right? So with this, you are able to listening the music and mine the cryptos completely wireless. But you still need to the power cable. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, let me say that again if you forgot. It comes in with 1 gigahash hash rate at the power consumption of 230 watts, and using the script algorithm mining Dogecoins and Litecoins. And later on I will turn it on. I mean, first I would test the performance as a speaker. I mean, how it sounds like, how the, like, you know, everything, the bass, blah 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 blah. And also I'll do after that do the mining side of this unit, see how it performs, the average hash rate, is it stable, and the profit you can make, and also teach you how to set it up. So this outstanding unit that can play music as well. So the voice you are hearing right now is actually out of this speaker. Okay, so anyway, in this video I will tell you how to set this mining machine to work. First of all, it supports wireless mining, right? But I mean, if you want, of course, you can get in like a Ethernet cable. Depends on you. But if it's your first time setting up, then you might need a Ethernet cable. You know, just to make everything easier. So after you plug in the power cable and the Ethernet cable, sorry, is it a bit too loud? Okay, after you've done that, and go to your PC, and I don't know if you guys have this software called IP scanner. If you don't have, you might need one. And yeah, the first thing we need to do is to find the IP address of your unit. So by scanning it, it will show every IP address in your area, but you can just search like flu. Like but you need normally, yeah, you need to wait like a couple minutes when it's fully charged. And I gotta say that the quality of the sound is not bad, right, guys? Right? I mean, this is really, really interesting thing, you know. It's just like so, like both like balance the mining life and the real life, you know. And also I gotta say that again, it's a very, very, very good looking unit, don't you think? Right? I bet you find another crypto miner that looks this good. Kind of hard, isn't it? Okay, so anyway, after it's fully charged, you can just search flu, and you see the first one popped out is the IP address of this unit. So what we need to do is copy this IP address to the browser. I don't need to copy, I remember. Why my keyboard is not working? Hold on, guys. Okay, so this is the IP address we scanned and enter. Okay, now you are trying to access the back end of this unit. So everyone, if it's your first entering this backend, you need to put in the username and the password, which is original is root, ROOT, not capital, yeah. And also the password is the same, ROOT, and then log in, and you are in the configuration of this unit. And sorry, let me turn on to English. Okay, and then you need to go to the left side and find the pool setting over here, and you can see there's pool 1 and worker and password, and pool 2 and worker and password, and pool 3. So there's 3 in total. That means if you of course it's working at the first pool, but if this pool is failed or have some kind of errors that it couldn't work, then it will automatically work in the next pool and the next pool, you know. So it's better to fill in all 3, you know what I mean. Okay, so after you put it out, you done putting, just click submit and submit, and you hear it's restarting. and then go to the dashboard. Yeah, and all you need to do is focus on this dashboard to see if the hash rate popping out, you know, if it's meeting the standard, which is 1 gigahash. And I think it shows the power consumption, yeah, which is over here. And here is the fan speed. Like the higher the number is, means the hotter the unit is. So just make sure your environment is suitable for mining cryptos. Okay. Normally you need to wait like a couple minutes, but I'm not waiting for now. I'll show you how to set up the Wi-Fi settings now. So just go to the Wi-Fi setting over here, like just under the pool setting. And when you you'll see you will actually need to put in your Wi-Fi name manually. Do you guys understand? So this is my Wi-Fi name. Actually, it's in Chinese. This is my Wi-Fi's name. So you need to manually put the name and then the password. And then submit, and then they will work. Okay, then you're all set. And again, go back to the dashboard to see if everything is normal, you know. Yeah, right here. So let me here is the current hash rate, this one, and this is more important, is the average hash rate. So this determines the profits, you know, the average hash rate in 24 hours. And here is the reject ratio. Normally it's under like 1% or something, I forgot, but something like that. If it's crazy, then you might need to check it. So here's the work time, and here is the status. You'll say like normal or not normal, something like that. And here's the power consumption, and here's the fan speed, and right here is the temperature. I think it's the chip temperature though. So normally it will be like 70 or 80 if it's crazy, but yeah, but you know, chips. So, and here it shows the pool settings and everything. Yeah, there you go, and that's it. Fluminer L2 is built for Doge and LTC. It looks like a retro speaker, runs super efficiently, and mines really fast, powerful, and stylish at the same time. So what do you guys think about this unit? Let me know in the comment. And also, what do you want to see in the next video? I will do another opening up boxing series in the series. I mean, yeah, let me know, guys. And that's it for the video today. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ethan. I will see you next time.